Hello everyone, so today I will test the Metahuman in the new version of Unreal 5.6.0 preview. And while we are during the boring process of the installation, I will read you the answer which I received from the ChatGPT when I asked him why the Metahuman does not have genitals. And so this is what I got. The real reason Metahumans are missing genitals. It's time we address the most pressing mystery in digital character design. Why don't Unreal Engine's Metahuman have genitals? Is it modesty? Is it the ESRB? Is it the bandwidth saving measure so your graphic card doesn't burst into the flames, rendering the high poly scrotum? No. It's because the developers simply don't know what they really look like. You see, the Unreal Engine developers are a rare breed. They spend so many years inside the dark rooms, lit only by the eerie glow of RTX ray tracing demos, that they've evolved beyond such primitive biological concerns. Their diet consists mainly of Red Bull, stale Doritos, and the C++ syntax. At this point, they are 87% of GPU and 13% VNO. When it comes time to model the metahuman anatomy, the conversation went something like this. Developer 1, okay, we've got photorealistic pores, dynamic pupil dilations, and fully simulated cheekbone sweep. What's next? Developer 2, the downstairs area. Developer 1, oh god, we avoided this moment for years. Quick, check the reference folder. They opened the folder labeled Anatomy Refs Do Not Open, and were immediately greeted by a 404 error and a polite message from HR. Nice try, Steve. Legend has it they even tried using the AI to generate anatomically correct assets, but the models either look like melting eggplants or cause the simulation to crash from embarrassment. So, instead of risking lawsuits, blushes, or become the internet meme forever, the developers made a collective decision. Let's just skip the genitals. If anyone asked, tell them metahumans reproduce via patch updates. And thus, the metahuman was born fully articulated, emotionally impressive, able to weep, laugh, and scream with uncanny realism, but tragically smooth from the waist down. Truth, we are living in the future. So of course it was a joke, and it was really a funny answer from the ChatGPT. But okay, now let's take a look at what do we see in reality in the Metahuman in version 5.6. I'm not using the Metahuman in my own projects because the people who are subscribed to my channel, they know that I'm doing the 18 plus games, and of course for them I need the genitals. But here I was just very curious what exactly we can find here and what changes are done. Okay, so you have seen the process of the installation. If you haven't seen it, so please just watch back the video because if you was just listening for the joke, so you can watch it again. And now we can take a look for the settings. So let's create a new metahuman. For this, we are right-clicking anywhere here in the free space. We are selecting the metahuman and the metahuman character. It will be created. Let's say we'll name it metahuman, and it will be the test. So wait for creation. Done. Now we can open this. Waiting for loading. Very nice. I will just place it over here and I will save it just in case. Save all. Save. Okay. Okay, so the first thing which I want to add the skin because I want to see my character, how it looks like. Okay, nice. Head model, the teeth, skin, eyes. What do we have here in the eyes? We have the blue eyes. Left, both. What is it? Eye, beautiful. We can change the eyes, we can change the primary color. So let's say I want this to be, and I want this to be IK beautiful. Very nice. Okay, what else we have over here? We have the makeup. Nice. So let's test with the smoky eyes. We can change the primary color of the smoky eyes, and let's do it, I don't know, even like this. She will be very, very interesting female. Okay. And I just pay attention that this is not perfect. As you can see over here and over here, it has some issues. So it is not looking very naturally, very good. But what we can do, we can just experiment with the things we have. Okay, so we can leave it like this. Then we can, for example, try to use this setting, and let's change the color. The color will be, oh my God. Okay, so, okay, as I can see, here are the different types of this. Okay, now let's use the lipstick. What do we have here in the lipstick? The different variants. But as you can see also, when we take a look at the lipstick, this is not perfect, because if you will look at the upstairs, this is good, but in the down lip, this is not so good. Maybe this one, no. Even this one doesn't want to do this. And let me change the color. It will be this red. I even can't imagine what style of the makeup it is, but it's cute. Well, honestly, this is not a very nice, very big set of the makeups, but if you have time and if you really are good with the small settings, I guess that you will be able to create something nice from it. But we have what we have. And the last point over here, what we have is the head model. So we can change the color of the teeth if we want it. Why? Okay, so if you're creating some kind of bad, you can do this. Okay, and the eyelashes. What do we have over here? The eyelashes. And if I will change this, what will happen? Nothing will happen. I cannot see here any change. And if I will change this, what will happen? Honestly, I don't see any change over here. Okay, so let's go to the head. Let's take a look. What do we have over here? The blend. What? This is the blending of the character. No, I don't want this. The model. We can model the teeth. Yeah, here we can model the teeth, lens, and so on. So you can play with this. Here's this. Oh, here are the eyelashes, of course. So if I didn't add it, I am not able to set it up. Let's double click. What is going on? Enable groom. Oh, enable, right. Nice. So let's change the color to something. Oh, I'm blind, or nothing is changing. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay. Okay. So I can remove this. Move. I can move it where I wanted them to be. Size. I can change the size. Okay. Can we press on it? Oh, what a cute thing. I can press on it. I can move it. I cannot move it from side to side, but I can move it up and down. So basically this is a great thing because it is limiting you here, the ear, so you can sculpt your why. Nice. So you can play with this. And what I like, honestly, that this is really limited, that you cannot do some kind of monster. You can move the mouse, basically you can move anything. Okay, so what are the conform to import whole nature poses? Okay, this no. Reset, we can reset, and sculpt, we can make this. Yes, again, you can sculpt the head as you want be, and as you can see here are even more dots, so this is excellent thing. You can create any type of the head. Now let's move to the body section. What do we have here? Oh, we can see the whole body. So the comfort, no, I don't want this. The model. Oh, this is the model. This is what I was looking for. So you can create a female and the male part. And as you can see like this, it looks something good. You can add some muscles here. Look, they look awesome. And you can change its size. So I love it. Okay, you can make him fat or no. So the sliders are really great, and really, as you can see, this is moving from the whole torso. So if you're setting up for the whole, it's for the whole. Or reset body, let's move it back. Okay, so what do we have else? We have hair and sections. Let's say afro. Double click. Waiting. Nothing. Again. Okay, and eyebrows. This is the eyebrows. The eyebrows is working. Oh, the hair, finally it appeared. Yeah, cool. And this is moving. Excellent and very nice quality. Okay, and what is this one? Assembly chart for preview, so we are waiting. And we can see it buggy because I double click, nothing appeared. If I will double click here, so you can see that hair appear over here, but if I will try to double click it, it doesn't appear on my character. So looks buggy, really. So it seems that I'm able to set up only the first hair. Let me check the third one. We will see what will going on over here. Okay, again, nothing. Let's try this way we did it over here. So double click doesn't help. It appeared. Let me check. No, nothing is going on. So only for me, only the first one is working. I don't know why. Maybe for you it will work better. Okay, so we tested this. Let me do it like this. I'm going back over here and sections. What do we have here in the section? So we tested the hair, we tested the eyebrows. We have the eyelashes. Eyelashes are over here. They appeared here. Very cute. What else we have? Let's move the bird. Okay. Oh, very nice female. What is it? Peach fuzz. Honestly, I have no idea. I guess this is for the sides over here. Okay, what else? And default garm, the clothes outfit. Double clicking. Let me see what will happen. The magic is happening. Okay, I have the t-shirt. Very nice. So let's check what do we have over here in the assembly. Nothing, just the settings. Okay, so here we have our cute male with. Okay, so we have finished over here. Again, I will click on the head so we can. Oh yes, it's just need some time. Okay, so we have here two more settings. This is the download texture source. So for example, if you need really the high source resolution of the textures, you can download over here. And when you completed your settings, you can just click on the outer rig face, and here you have two options. You can use joints only, or you can use with blend shapes. With the blend shapes, it is more. This is really very cool thing because then you can use this for the confirm. I agree with everything because then you can use them for the animations, and the blend shapes really are very useful for the blinking eyes, speaking, and so on. So you really need this with this auto rigging face mesh. Waiting. Okay, the process is going. Here we have the new message. Okay, the process has completed, and we can press play over here to see something. As you can see, our head is working, blinking. Here we can see the issue with the t-shirt, but I guess that this is not adapted for the head because this is moving only on the head side, or maybe because the body is not moving together with the head. Yes, I guess it was the issue because this is just adapting for everything, for the head and for the body, and they are moving separately. So for this it was. So just to resume this, I have to say that the metahuman characters, they are really excellent. They are very beautiful. They have the very nice textures. The process of creating is really cool. But unfortunately, they have just very huge minus. They don't have the genitals, and I will not be able to use them in my games. I will have to continue using the Death 3D characters because they have genitals. And like this. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me in this video. If you like this video, please give me the like, subscribe to my channel, and do not miss my other videos which I will create. I really love all of you and wish you a great day.